They look like glowing globules. These larvae represent ground zero in the fight against mosquito-borne disease. The virus known as Zika continues to spread throughout South America and beyond, linked to thousands of babies being born with shrunken brains. Authorities don't know exactly what to do about it. There's no vaccine, and fumigation is limited. A company here in England says the key to solving the mosquito problem is more mosquitoes like these. Here at Oxitec labs, they've been genetically modified to produce offspring that die before growing into mature adults. Only male mosquitoes are introduced into the wild.
I just wanted to show you the males because we only release the males as they don't bite.
Oh, okay.
It's actually the female mosquitoes which bite and the problem because they transmit the disease.
Okay.
So as you can see, because it's only the males, I can put my hand in here without sort of worrying that I'm going to get bitten.
It's essentially death by sex. Once the genetically modified male mates with the female, it passes on the deadly gene. That gene then spreads to the larvae. The larvae are then unable to grow into adults. For tracking purposes, they also glow in the dark.
So here we can see six of these mosquitoes, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, under normal light. But if I turn down the white light, you can see the ones at the top, there's a glow around the eye. Now that glow is due to a genetic marker.
And why is that important?
What we can do is look at the proportion of the mosquitoes we get back from the field and see what proportion have the gene, which means that they're not going to develop to adults, as opposed to the proportion of wild-type ones. And based on that ratio, we can adjust the release rate of our males.
So far, that tracking shows promising results. One study done in the Brazilian city of El Dorado showed an 82% reduction in mosquito larvae compared to a non-treated area 1.5 kilometers away. Scientists warn that the spread of Zika could spread into a global pandemic. Who would have thought that the key to stopping it could be a glowing, mutant mosquito? Erin McLaughlin, CNN, Oxford, England.